Okay, MTK, the octopus here. It's starting to rain a little bit. We're in the Rocky Point recharge zone, and starting just a little bit to come down. You can smell the weather. You can see the clouds. It's interesting that they're moving towards us, I feel like. Yeah, I'm not really confident the wind isn't blowing against it, which is what I find interesting. I mean, I've got the car open and hardly any water's coming in. And these are small drops, so this is very early in the action. And today has been hot. It has been, you know, maybe 100 an hour and a half ago, or hour ago. So this is a very welcomed rain if it's legitimate. It just doesn't feel very strong. That was fun with Larry today. It was good to see Larry. Hope you'll enjoy his company as we go on down the road. MTK. Man, you know what's weird? I have bags under my eyes apparently, and they're so bad that visual acuity made the AdSense throw up how to get rid of bags under your eyes. That's what happened. But MTK doesn't do none of that. I'm all natural, baby. Whatever I use is natural products. And whatever I am is a natural man. That might be some MTK 50 stuff right there, but what are you gonna do? This rain, come on, rain. Oh, it's starting to come down. Slowly. Alright, we'll come back soon. MTK. RPRZ. Wow.